Well, hello everyone. A little different video today. You are looking at my first motorcycle. I picked it up yesterday, and today I'm going to be giving it a little wash and a buff and getting rid of the stickers here, because I do have some ideas and some feelers out there for what the stickers will be. So it is a 2006 Honda Rebel and just a 250. So perfect little beginner bike for me. I do have some experience with dirt bikes and some other stuff, but not a ton. But I feel pretty comfortable on it. I'm not necessarily a bigger guy, so I was kind of surprised actually. I thought the bike may actually be too small, but it works pretty good actually. It's sweet. So let me give you a little closer look here. All right, folks. Here's a little closer look. I picked it up about an hour from home, so I had my brother drive it back because I don't quite have my endorsement yet, so I've just been taking it around the neighborhood. But here it is. It's a 2006, and it's got just over 8,500 miles. And the really nice thing about this one is under 100 miles ago, it had brand new front tires, rear tire put on, oil change, spark plugs, carb kit, and the clutch. So this thing is basically like a brand new bike. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is giving it a wash, buffing this gas tank a little bit, some of the rear fender back here, and just some of the painted parts, see what I can do, polish a little bit of the chrome. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out and what all I can get off. I think I should be able to make it look pretty good. So I'll set you guys up, get a little time lapse going, and then we'll get a little start and whatnot afterwards. Alright, I got it looking pretty good. Buffed some of the chrome, on the exhaust tip. It looks nice. And, the exhaust and the gauge cluster a little bit. So I'll probably throw up a picture or two of some of the other stuff I did. But, yeah, it's looking great. And I know you guys are waiting. So let's go ahead and get this thing started and get a little ride going. Alright, let's get it started. There will be... I left the key inside. Now, let's get it started. There will be no discourse in the comments on my drip, alright? It's Labor Day. I'm not wearing nothing that looks too good. second, and then we'll get some runs of me driving by.
Hopefully there was some kind of cool clips in there. I'll give you a little rev real quick and then we'll call it a day.